Have you ever wondered how to fill out the BOI? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless individuals just like you grapple with this seemingly daunting task. But what exactly is the BOI? It's an essential document, a business operations inventory, that is, a comprehensive record of everything that makes your business tick. It encompasses everything from your assets and liabilities to your processes and systems. It's your business laid bare in black and white. Why is it important? Well, it helps you keep track of your operations, identify areas of improvement, and plan for future growth. It's the backbone of any thriving business, a blueprint for success. It's not just a document, it's a snapshot of your business at a given moment. It's the reality check every business owner needs. In the next few minutes, you'll become a pro at filling out the BOI. Before starting to fill out the BOI, gather all necessary information. This is a crucial step that will save you time and reduce the likelihood of hiccups down the line. So what are the types of information you need? Firstly, your business details. This includes your business name, address, and contact information. You'll also need your business registration number and in some cases your tax identification number. These are key to identifying your business in any official documentation or correspondence. Then comes personal information. This is where you provide details about the key people in your business. It might be the owners, directors, or anyone else who holds a significant role. You'll need their full names, positions, contact information, and in some cases, their personal identification numbers. This information helps paint a picture of who's behind the business, which is crucial for potential investors, partners, or regulators. Now, on to financial data. This is often the most detailed section, requiring comprehensive information about your business's financial health. You'll need to provide your revenue, profit, assets, liabilities, and equity. You may also need to detail any outstanding loans or financial commitments. This information is critical for assessing the viability and financial stability of your business. So why is each of these so important? Well, business details verify the authenticity and legality of your business. Personal information allows for accountability and transparency. And financial data? It provides a snapshot of your business's financial health, which can influence decisions made by investors, partners, and regulators. Remember, gathering this information isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about creating a comprehensive and accurate representation of your business. So take your time, be thorough, and ensure all information is up to date and accurate. Keep in mind, the more accurate and detailed your information, the smoother the process of filling out the BOI. It helps you avoid unnecessary delays and potential complications, and most importantly, it increases the credibility of your business in the eyes of those who matter. Once you have all this information, filling out the BOI becomes a breeze. So let's move on to the next step, shall we? Now we're going to walk you through the process of filling out the BOI step by step. The first step in filling out your BOI or Business Operating Income form is to make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. This includes your business's detailed income and expense reports for the period you're reporting. Let's start with the top of the form. You'll see a section for your business's basic information. This is where you'll enter your business's legal name, your business's tax ID number, and the reporting period for the form. For example, if you're reporting for the first quarter of the year, you would enter January through March in this field. Next, you'll encounter a section titled Revenue. Here you'll need to provide a detailed breakdown of your business's total revenue for the reporting period. This includes sales revenue, service revenue, and any other types of income your business may have. For instance, if you run a bakery and you sold $10,000 worth of pastries in the first quarter, you would enter this amount in the sales revenue field. Moving on, you'll come across a section labeled Cost of Goods Sold. This is where you'll enter the total cost of all the goods your business sold during the reporting period. In our bakery example, this could include the cost of flour, eggs, and other baking ingredients. The next section, Operating Expenses, is where you'll enter the total cost of running your business. This includes rent, utilities, salaries, and other overhead costs. Don't forget to account for every penny spent, as these expenses directly impact your business's net income. Afterward, you'll find a section on depreciation. This is where you'll enter the decrease in value of your business's assets over the reporting period. For example, If you purchased a new oven for your bakery at the beginning of the year and its value decreased by $500 over the first quarter, you would enter this amount in the depreciation field. Next up is the interest expense section. Here you'll enter any interest you paid on business loans during the reporting period. Remember to include both short-term and long-term loan interest. Subsequently, you'll see a section titled Taxes. This is where you'll enter the amount of taxes your business owes for the reporting period. Make sure to include all forms of taxes, including federal, state, and local. The final section of the BOI is net income. This is calculated by subtracting your business's total expenses, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, depreciation, interest, and taxes from its total revenue. The resulting figure is your business's net income for the reporting period. This number gives a clear indication of your business's profitability during that period. Filling out the BOI might seem daunting at first, but breaking it down into these manageable steps makes the process much more straightforward. Remember, the key is to be thorough and accurate in reporting all your business's income and expenses. A well-prepared BOI can provide valuable insights into your business's financial health and help guide your future business decisions. And there you have it. That's how you fill out each section of the BOI. While the process is straightforward, there are some common mistakes you should avoid. One of the most frequently encountered errors is incorrect data entry. Often people accidentally input the wrong information or even transpose numbers, so take an extra minute to double-check your entries. Another common blunder is leaving fields blank. It's essential to fill out all the necessary information. If you're unsure about a particular field, don't just skip it. Seek guidance or do a quick search for clarity. Also, be aware of the deadline for submission. Procrastination and last-minute rush can lead to errors and omissions. Always make sure you give yourself enough time to complete the form properly. Lastly, make sure you save or print a copy of the filled-out form for your records. It's a simple step, but one that's often overlooked. Avoiding these mistakes can save you time and potential headaches down the line. Let's recap what we've learned about filling out the BOI. Our journey began with gathering the necessary information. It's crucial to be precise and comprehensive, as this forms the backbone of your BOI. Remember, no detail is too small when it comes to filling out this important document. We then delved into a step-by-step guide, breaking down the process into digestible parts. We highlighted the importance of filling out each section accurately, ensuring that everything adds up correctly. We also emphasized the importance of double-checking your work to prevent any errors from slipping through. Lastly, we discussed common mistakes to avoid. From rushing through the process to forgetting to review your work, these mistakes can lead to inaccuracies that can cost you in the long run. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to fill out the BOI like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found our guide on filling out the BOI helpful, don't forget to show your support by subscribing to our channel. This will keep you updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on important information. Additionally, we encourage you to comment below. Your thoughts and feedback not only help us gauge what you found most useful, but also highlight areas where we can improve. Your input is invaluable to us. If you found this content valuable, do give us a like. This simple action helps us reach more people who need this guide, spreading the knowledge further. Thank you for watching, and remember, your feedback is crucial to us. Until next time, keep practicing and perfecting your BOI filling skills.